Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Janus, creator of Pinoy Tech Dad. Today we have the Asus Zenbook Duo 14. This is the upgraded version of the initial Zenbook Duo that was released way back in 2019. This is not gonna be a full review yet. This is just gonna be my initial impressions and quick unboxing video. And speaking of quick unboxing, here's my video of that.
No.
Alright guys, so that was our quick unboxing. Now let's move on to the specs. Here are its specs. By the way, these are its available ports as well. What we have here is the Zenbook Duo 14, and there's also a Pro version of this, the Zenbook Pro Duo, which is a 15-inch OLED laptop. For this variant, we have an NVIDIA GeForce MX450, which is way less powerful than an RTX graphics card, but this can still run most of your productivity programs. You can still do some gaming on this, and I'll show you that in my full review. But with this one, I'll just show you how efficient it is to work on a dual display laptop like the Zenbook Duo. One thing that you must know is that both of these displays are actually touch screens. See that? So they work with your fingers or your hands. And of course, if you don't want your screen or displays to get dirty with your fingerprints, you can always use this. Before using the pen, you have to take off this little piece right here. Unfortunately, it doesn't work on the main display, so it only works on the ScreenPad Plus, as you can see right there. So really convenient. And then if you want to do some handwriting, of course you can do that right there. Let's see, Pinoy Tech Dad. There you go. Also, this has a special feature for Adobe programs. So if you have Premiere Pro or Photoshop, unfortunately, I haven't installed Premiere Pro yet. In the full review, I'll be showcasing that to you as well. But let me just show you how you can access your, applications that you include here. So basically, you just put it there and then it opens up Spotify. So what you can do is you're working, you can just simply browse through the music that you have here. I almost played some music there, but we shouldn't because this is all copyrighted. Here's a little bit of a sound test for this one. This is tuned by Harman Kardon. Can you hear it? And try to increase the volume. It's really loud. Alright, so let's stop this. Alright, so also if you want to transfer this screen up to there, to the bigger screen, you can do so just by this simple button right here, simple key. So just one key press, boom, and you can transfer what was supposedly here up to the bigger screen. And if you want to bring them down again, boom. So simple. What I do is I usually, when I'm writing and I need some reference here, and I can always see my reference right here. So this is gonna be something that's convenient for me. But there is one thing that I would definitely highly recommend if you are gonna purchase something like this, and that is to get yourself a laptop stand. Now it does come with its own laptop stand, but I'm not gonna use that here. This is the one that I'm using. So as you can see, of course, it's not gonna be pleasant to look at from this point of view, but from my point of view, from this angle, this is actually perfect. I can see the bigger display properly, and then I can fully see what's on display on this smaller screen. Now, one thing to note about the keyboard is that it's so cramped. This is the Logitech K380. Yeah, it's pretty much almost the same size as this one. So that's how small or cramped the keyboard layout is for the Zenbook Duo 14. If you can get used to something like this, then I'm pretty sure that you guys can also get used to something like this. Design-wise, I love the ergo lift on this. So basically, when you open it, the second display will also go up, leaving some space or some gap right there for the stereo speakers, as well as some more airflow. Now, one thing that I also want to point out is that this doesn't pass the one-hand test. You know, the one-hand test is where you try to open your laptop one-handed. So you really have to open this with two hands. Unfortunately, I don't have the pricing for this yet, so you guys will just have to watch the official launch of the Zenbook Duo here in the Philippines. I'll leave the link in the description box where you guys can check out the launch event. Now, if you have more questions about the Zenbook Duo, make sure to drop them in the comment section. But yeah, that's everything that I want to share about the Zenbook Duo so far. Again, if you guys want to know more about this, check out my full review in the coming weeks. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button so you can watch more videos like this in the future. That's it for today, guys. Keep safe and have a great day.